So I wanted to go over the basic things of what I teach in here, how to make a good throw. And our goal is to throw a great pass and somebody catch it, and that pass is beautiful and it's a spiral. It's not wobbling like this, but it's spinning like this all the way until it gets into somebody's hands and they catch it. Okay, so here's what I want you to practice. If you have a football at home, that would be great for you to practice this. You gotta have somebody to throw to, or you can just throw at targets. So here's what I need you to know. Here are the laces on the football. And when you hold it, you're gonna hold the football in your dominant hand, or the hand that you whack with. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna put your fingers on the laces. And for me, I've gotta put it about right here because this football's a little big. All right, so then if I'm throwing to you guys, I don't stand facing you like this and throw it here. I'm gonna turn. It looks like weird because it looks like I'm turned sideways, but now this shoulder, my front shoulder, it's kind of like my pointing shoulder. That's where I'm gonna throw. I'm gonna throw to the camera or towards you. So I face that way. I'm with my shoulder that doesn't have the football in that side. So this shoulder is empty. That's gonna be where my aiming is. So if I was turned this way, I'm gonna throw that way. If I was turned straight, if I'm facing the camera or I'm facing you guys, that means I must be throwing that way because here's my pointer shoulder, okay? So I'm gonna throw you guys. Now, I start fingers on the laces, and I say ball by your ear, but it's not like a telephone. You're not gonna put it right here. You're gonna bring it way back. You're gonna bring it up. So I say fingers on the laces, ball by your ear, okay? Step with your front foot, okay? So you're gonna step in the direction that you wanna throw. If I'm throwing to you guys, I'm gonna step in that direction. It's just a little step. It's kind of like pick up your foot and put it down. But you step in the direction that you're going to throw. So fingers on the laces, ball back by your ear, step with your front foot, aim and throw. And when you throw, you want your hand to come across your body once you let go of the ball. Okay, so you let it go here, but then your hand follows through, and that's what creates that pretty spiral. Okay? So it's gonna look like this. Hope I don't knock down my iPad.
Just the music.
Let's go practice our throws. You can do it. Fingers on the laces, ball by your ear, step with your front foot, aim and throw, then follow through. All right, you guys have a great week. Talk to you later.